This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Stephanie Fortuna. Meticulously maintained upgraded 6-bed, 4-bath home. Entering, you're greeted by wood flooring in foyer, formal dining room west/tray ceilings, and office west/built-in shelves and French doors. Main level open floor plan boasts a carpeted bedroom west/full bath. Spacious family room wired west/surround sound, fireplace, ceiling fan light, and ceramic tile floors that guide you to the eat-in kitchen west/granite countertops and storage island. Stainless appliances, pocket lights, pantry and crown molding, under cabinet lights. Upstairs, you're greeted by an open landing to the second and third bedrooms west/adjoining bath west/double sinks, a fourth bed west/a full bath, an enormous ensuite west/bath with dual sinks, separate shower, toilet, jetted tub and walk-in closet, a sixth bed/media room and a laundry room. The landscaping is impeccable, and the fenced backyard encloses a stunning patio, a step-up wood deck, wired electric lights, and a shed. Other upgrades: roof 2020, solar panels 2021, irrigation system, garage sink. For more information, review the details below.